Hello, welcome back to Discovery Storytime, STEM Storytime for curious young minds. Let's start by wearing our thinking caps. You can use any of your caps as your thinking cap. Okay, are you wearing your thinking cap? Let's start with our welcome song. If you're ready for some learning, clap your hands. If you're ready for some learning, clap your hands. If you're ready for some learning, then your brain is always thinking. If you're ready for some learning, clap your hands. If you're ready for some learning, shout hooray, hooray! If you're ready for some learning, shout hooray, hooray! If you're ready for some learning, then your brain is always thinking. If you're ready for some learning, shout hooray, hooray! Good job at home. So today we are going to learn a little bit about butterflies, our beautiful, colorful creatures in the garden. But to learn about butterflies, we have to start with the caterpillars. We're going to read The Very Impatient Caterpillar by Ross Burach. The Very Impatient Caterpillar. Hey, what are you guys doing? We're going to metamorphosize. Meta what now? Transform into butterflies. Right, I knew that. Wait, you're telling me I can become a butterfly? Yes. With wings? Yes. For real? Yes. Wait for me. Now what? Build your chrysalis. Chrysalis. Right. I knew that. What? How did you do that? Is it a spin or more of a twirl? Am I a butterfly yet? Now what? Just be patient and let nature take its course. Patience. Right. I got this. Am I a butterfly yet? No. What about now? No. Now? No. Be patient. I have a question. Not yet. You don't even know what I was going to ask. Fine, ask. How's your day going? Also, am I a butterfly yet? No! Be patient! Shh! We're trying to metamorphosize. Okay. Obviously, I know this, but do you know how long this takes? 2 weeks. Right. 2 weeks. 2 weeks? Oh, what am I going to do in here for 2 weeks? Can I get a comic book or something? What if I need to go to the bathroom? Anyone want to play a game? What if I want a snack? Hello, 2 pizzas, please. My address? A chrysalis. Click. Hello? How long have I been in here? It's still day 1? This is taking forever. That's it. I feel metamorphosized enough. Look out, world. Feast your eyes on this beautiful butterfly. How do I look? Transformed? Time to spread my wings and fly. Wait, where are my wings? Splat! Time for a new approach. I can be patient. Patience is all in the mind. Be one with the chrysalis. Deep breath in and out. Look, day 6. I'm doing it. Just be patient. Just be patient. Day 9, day 10, day 11, 2 weeks later. I did it! I'm a butterfly! Before we go on to do our experiment, here is a fun and interesting fact about butterflies. We've seen butterflies flit from flower to flower. Now, what does it do there? Observe its head. Do you see the coil over there? That coil is its tongue or proboscis. And it kind of works like this. Doesn't blow out its tongue, but muscles in the butterfly unfurl its tongue at every flower and sucks up the nectar from the flower like a straw. For today's experiment, let's look at the shape of a butterfly. The butterfly has 2 wings on one side of the body and 2 wings on the other side of the body. And these 2 sides of the body are the same. In fact, if you fold the butterfly in half and put it in front of a mirror, it forms a full butterfly. This is called vertical symmetry. There are many things around us that are vertically symmetrical. For our experiment, let's see which of the letters are vertically symmetrical. I have chosen the letters in my name. You can do the same with the letters in your name. The letters in my name are D, E, P, and A. So I have written these letters on little pieces of paper. Now I'm going to fold it in half vertically and hold it in front of the mirror. Does that form a full D? Looks more like an O. How about this side? Let's try the letter E. Again, fold it in half and hold it in front of the mirror. Does that look like a full E? Maybe 2 E's, one in front of the mirror, one behind the mirror. Let's try it this way. Just 2 lines. Okay, the next letter, the letter P. Again, fold it in half and hold it in front of the mirror. Does that form the letter P? How about this way? The last letter is an A. So fold it in half vertically and hold it in front of the mirror. What do you see? Look at that. It forms a complete A. So the letter A is the only letter in my name that is vertically symmetrical. How about the letters in your name? Thank you for being with me for Discovery Storytime. Until next week, bye-bye. And bye from our paper butterflies too.